Hey guys, welcome to Vocab Through Practice, where we are going to be learning some vocabulary words related to some kind of topic, and afterwards we're going to practice using them in speaking. Let's get into it. Today's topic is going to be universities and also to some extent education. Both of these topics are popular for, they're certainly popular for part 1, but also part 2 and 3 you could possibly find them. Just generally a lot of very good vocab that you need to know. Academia as a whole is like a very connected topic. Academia being like the whole idea of education and learning, the whole education system. So yeah, the first word that I want to tell you is world-renowned. World-renowned is like a collocation, 2 words together, which is basically something that everybody in the world knows. For example, you can say Yale and Oxford are world-renowned universities. That means that universities that every single person knows, they know everything about them, very popular. The next word is speculated. Speculated comes from the word speculate, which means like trying to think about something before it actually happens, or like something that is believed to be something. For example, you can say that people speculated that Oxford would close 10 years ago, but it didn't. So it's like, it means people believed that something would happen, but it didn't necessarily happen. And speculation is usually connected to something that is not realistic. So like, it's not realistic that Oxford is going to close, but people think it will happen. Next is time frame. Time frame is one word that is made up of like 2 words, I guess, time and frame. And it basically means the amount of time that you have for something. So the time frame for getting into university, the time frame for your application, time frame for something. It just basically means the amount of time that you have for something to do whatever kind of task. The next word is going to be facilities. Facilities is it's a word, it's an academic noun, and it means some kind of like place where you can do something. Usually facilities are on a university campus. So it's not just any place, it's like specifically a place on a university campus, on a school campus, a place somewhere. And it's some place that you can do something. So for example, printing facilities, the cooking facility, the eating facility, something facility, the place where something happens. So you need to have some kind of task and that place. Usually, if something is a facility, you will know about it. Not every single building is a facility. Like, for example, usually dormitories where people live are not facilities. So yeah, the next word is going to be curriculum. The curriculum is the amount of things that you are learning. So it's like the whole plan for your education. It's kind of like, it's similar to the word syllabus. They are a little bit different, but that's not important. Generally, curriculum is your plan of education, what you're going to be learning and like when and what time. The next word is going to be ensure. Ensure is whenever you are doing something or are making something happen so that something else is going to happen 100%. For example, like, what are you doing? I am ensuring my chances of going to university. It's different from the word insure, which is like, insurance whenever you have like a car that you're trying to save from breaking. That is like a different word. It's insurance. But insure with an en is whenever you are talking about like something that is going to make something else happen. Basically, that's it. So it's a pretty good phrase for like university, or if you're talking about like education, whenever you are doing your assignments. So you can say I'm ensuring that I'm going to get a good mark. So that's like kind of verb that you can use in different situations. The next word is going to be allocate. Allocate is a great academic verb. You can use it in a lot of different situations, and it means to put something for something else. So imagine you have some amount of like, let's say money, right? You are a business, and you are going to allocate that money to different departments. So some money is going to go to the advertising department, some money is going to go to the sales department, and you are putting the money in different places. You are allocating it. You can also use allocate to talk about time or to talk about effort, like allocating effort. So all of these words together are used whenever you're talking about, putting something into something else, like into some kind of task or some kind of goal or something along those lines. So that's about it. You should try to memorize these words, learn them, learn what they mean, learn some collocations, maybe some of the ones that I mentioned myself. And then later down the line, we're going to be practicing this vocabulary through speaking. I'll see you there.